In this video we can talk about top 5 Synthesys alternatives and competitors. Welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating realm of video creation and AI-powered animation. If you've ever wondered about the alternatives to Synthesys, an excellent platform for AI-driven video avatars, then you've come to the right place. So, get ready as we explore the top 5 alternatives of Synthesys, which are Veed Io, Clipchamp, Topaz Labs, Pictory, and Synthesia. Let's get started without much further ado. First one on our list is Veed Io. Veed Io is a powerful video editing and creation tool that allows you to easily enhance your videos with captions, subtitles, and stunning visual effects. It offers features like video editor, screen recorder, video merger, and auto subtitles. Veed Io comes with a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for content creators and businesses looking to create professional-looking videos without extensive editing knowledge. One of Veed Io's standout features is its real-time collaboration functionality, which allows multiple users to work on a video project simultaneously. Our second alternative is Clipchamp. Clipchamp is an all-in-one video editing platform that enables users to create and edit videos effortlessly. It boasts an impressive array of features like GIF Maker, Video Cropper, Video Resizer, and Video Editor. Clipchamp also allows you to optimize videos for various platforms, ensuring your content looks its best on different social media channels. One of the standout features of Clipchamp is its ability to transform your video with royalty-free elements. Next up we have Topaz Labs. Topaz Labs offers a suite of advanced AI-powered image and video editing software, including applications designed for enhancing photo and video quality. It offers excellent features like image upscaling, frame interpolation, and motion interpolation. Its AI models are continually updated and improved, ensuring top-notch performance and results for video enhancement. One of the standout features of Topaz Labs is its unparalleled AI technology perfect for video upscaling and restoration. Moving to fourth alternative, we have Pictory. Pictory is a creative platform that caters to the storytelling aspect of video creation. It offers exclusive features like script-to-videos, auto-transcribe videos, and long video summarization. Pictory provides a range of templates, themes, and animations that will enable users to craft visually stunning stories using your image collections. However, a standout feature of Pictory lies in its focus on visual storytelling for creating engaging slideshows, travel diaries, and personal narratives. Last but certainly not least, we have Synthesia. Synthesia is a desirable AI video synthesis platform that allows you to create lifelike, AI-generated videos featuring realistic avatars speaking in multiple languages. It comes with excellent features like custom AI avatars, video templates, and gestures. Synthesia's AI avatars are so realistic that they can be used for diverse applications, from e-learning to creating virtual presenters and characters for video games. One of the standout features of Synthesia is its unparalleled realism and language diversity. A standout feature which is its ability to generate talking head videos with lip-syncing characters. When comparing the alternatives to Synthesys, Veed Io's advanced video editing tools and AI-powered subtitles enhance the overall video production process, making it an excellent choice for content creators. Clipchamp's direct export to popular platforms like YouTube and Vimeo simplifies sharing and makes it an efficient option. Topaz Labs' AI-powered video enhancement tools cater to professional videographers and photographers, offering advanced video clarity and noise reduction. Pictory's AI-generated dynamic video content tailored to individual viewers provides personalized marketing campaigns. Synthesia boasts AI-generated videos featuring realistic avatars and also offers integration with external applications through Arpis, allowing for more extensive usage possibilities. After extensive research and analysis, we would recommend Clipchamp as the best alternative to Synthesys. Clipchamp's real-time webcam recording feature offers a significant advantage to vloggers and content creators who desire on-the-fly video capture. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of video editing tools, Clipchamp empowers both beginners and professionals to create captivating and polished videos effortlessly. We hope this comprehensive comparison has provided you with valuable insights into the diverse world of video creation and AI-powered animation. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.